Ahoy, guys!
Ahoy! You remember us? Christian?
Faye.
syZERO? Now it's been quite a while since we uploaded a video. I think the last episode was
I think over a year
probably
ago.
over a year
Shame
ago.
on us.
But yeah, many things happened during that time, for sure. For example, got a new haircut. And
Our
that little
little girl
cutie,
here.
huh? Hello.
Now fully grown up.
Yeah, not a baby anymore. But yeah, we had a very exhausting, actually year, more than a year. We put zero on the heart, and it turned out to be way more work than ever estimated,
Definitely.
which is totally partly our fault, but some things just happened. And just to give you a rough idea, we just planned to do a haul out, do a bottom job, new barrier coat, maybe change the zincs and
Couple projects here and
maybe a through
there.
hull here and there. But then we ended up putting a complete new barrier coat on the hull, and we wanted to do it properly, so it took time. We painted the whole boat. We built the Dodger, and we remodeled the full forward head.
We took apart some cabins, and in the meanwhile, we did some other projects.
And we put lazy backs on the boat and sun covers. And painting here and painting there. Varnishing is always a big thing on
A lot of
boats like
sanding and
this,
painting.
for sure. But without going into the details too much, it was a lot of work,
Yeah.
and there was no time and no energy left to do that. Why are we telling you that? We want to give you a rough idea. We spent so much time there, and it started to get summer. Summer in Mexico is really brutal. I don't know if you've ever been there. During summer, the temperatures go
Shitty
way
hot.
beyond any comfort level. So after the year in the Sea of Cortez before, we learned our lesson, and definitely on the heart, we didn't want to be there. So we decided to leave the boat in Mexico and go and cruise around a little bit.
Visit a friend and do some surfing and water sports again after all the dry season we had in the boatyard.
We had around 3 months to kill, and we bought an RV, a used one, an old one, to cruise around California and the southern states of America.
Yeah, I had to leave again, one more time again, to finally finish university. I had to do a lot of exams again and finish my bachelor's thesis, and on top of all the boat work, that was a lot of work for me as well, so there was absolutely no time and energy again.
I remember when I was starting doing the Dodger, she was sitting there and studying on the computer, which, is not really effective. You can't focus on it, so yeah, you needed to go home to
Yeah.
finish the studies. But it's done. She's a full-time sailor. It's good. We actually did a lot sailing since then. We are not in Mexico anymore. Another thing which is new, we are in Tahiti right now. So we crossed the Pacific. I gotta tell you, we picked up some crews, some hitchhikers on the road. We had a great crossing,
Oh,
and
yeah.
we're here now. So many things are new, and we will tell you about it. We are going to do more videos, and that's actually the reason why we do that video. To bring you up to speed for a little bit. We don't want to go into detail all the past, it was a hard time. We will do a couple of videos about boat project, but mostly we want to just, make a check and go on. We can't really say that we do the weekly schedule, but we start with the video Friday, 10 a.m. Californian time. So
You ready?
we all know that the YouTube algorithm is everything what counts for YouTubers like us. Crazy name. So please, we have a favor to ask. If you could just go there 10 and just watch it and like it and click it and comment and
Share it.
share it, so YouTube thinks, oh wow, they're great guys. They're really We gotta push
Ooh,
it.
they're back again.
That would be very helpful. It gives us another extra kick of motivation.
Yeah.
10 a.m. California time, so Eastern Pacific time, I think it is.
Yeah.
We will upload the video. Thanks for all your patience. Thanks for all the Patreons who stick with us.
And you will get the video right now. We want to thank you for all your help, for all your lovely comments you send us, and it definitely pushed us through that hard time that you all guys thought about us, and we want to thank you for that.
We actually had thoughts to terminate the whole channel, and we didn't do because, you just ask how we are, everything is okay, and yeah, that helped us to make the decision not to terminate it. But keep it simple and short. Thank you for your enduring support and for your patience.
Thanks again, and be there.
10 o'clock.
Don't forget us. And yeah,
Okay.
have a nice day.
Thanks for watching. Aloha, guys. See you
Bye.
tomorrow.
Goats, nigga, goats.